One shocking case in Hyderabad has completely shattered the trust of lakhs of couples seeking fertility care. And it's not the first time. Why does a scam like this happen? The IVF industry has become so competitive. This competition has become so fierce that it has led to price war driven primarily by the low quality IVF clinics, which often cut corners on quality and safety. This has resulted in low pregnancy rate and thus out of desperation, these clinics have stooped down to unethical practices. While all IVF clinics look the same, how can you tell the difference between the high quality and reliable IVF clinic and the one that's cutting corners? Here are the two things you should absolutely not miss. The first one, has the clinic invested in a high quality lab? Do you know that there's a technology that helps prevent mix up between a baby and their biological parents during a IVF cycle? It is called RI Witness, an electronic witnessing system that links your unique ID to your eggs and sperms to prevent mix up, something that actually happens more often than you think.
This electronic witness system is globally renowned to safeguard couples against any human errors. It ensures safeguards at 12 to 15 checkpoints in the complete process where the father's sperm and mother's eggs and resulting embryos, future babies, are validated repeatedly to confirm at every stage that they belong to the same set of biological parents.
Credible clinics also share a full summary report of these quality checks with the parents to reassure them.
There are four technologies that ensure the best outcome.
Such world-class technology typically requires an investment of over 5 crore, something that majority of the IVF providers choose not to prioritize. The second thing, keep your eye open for marketing gimmicks. Unrealistic discounts like 1 plus 1 free IVF cycle or IVS at 49,000 is simply impossible. An IVF cycle includes medicines and scans besides the actual IVF procedure. A genuine IVF center with a high quality lab and a consistent 60 to 70% IVF success rate in the first attempt typically charges 1.7 lakhs or more for one IVF cycle. Unfortunately, many couples fall for such discounts and choose IVF centers that provide low quality treatments, resulting in multiple failed IVF cycles, shelling out almost 4.5 to 6 lakhs. So I urge everyone to verify these points before you commit to any IVF center.